Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be looking at the British Starling. They're a medium-sized bird, about 8 inches long or 20 centimetres, with a glossy black plumage, but also has a metallic sheen that's more noticeable in the sun. The Starling also has a very unusual talent which we will look at later in the video. The female usually produces 4 or 5 eggs. The young birds have a light brown plumage and they're very loud, so you usually hear them before you see them. In the next clip we'll see their amazing ability to mimic other birds and sounds. This video was shot in a London park, with this starling mimicking crows and magpies. But what sounds have you heard? Let me know in the comments. Starlings will eat anything from berries, insects, bread, and basically anything they can get their claws on. There's 1.8 million breeding birds in the UK presently. Starlings have an average lifespan of 5 years in the wild, but can live up to 15 to 20 years in captivity. This is largely due to the abundant food and lack of predators. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.